Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oak Forest, or over Midlothian, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This thunderstorm has a history of producing damaging wind gusts and large hail. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, and Alsip. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 341 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 150 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 60 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 60 and 74. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 252 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Indiana Motor Speedway, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Shore Rail